Hello, how are you? Today we'll talk about our global village called Vetaria. My team is made up of Mariana Roldán, Jacqueline Serna, and Laura Rodriguez. Centuries ago, Vetaria was like many worlds. Great cities, long factories, and humans disconnected from nature. But a group of healers and veterinarians called the primordial caretakers discovered a vital vibration within all animal cells soon. By learning to feel soon, humans began to understand the emotions and needs of animals. This insight sparked a peaceful revolution. Vetaria was born and society where all decisions are guided by the well-being of sentient life. Now your philosophy. Vetaria is a society where humans and animals not only coexist but actively collaborate in a compassionate and support community. Veterinary medicine is not just a science, but a great art. Education, economy, architecture, nutrition, and technology are all centered on absolute respect for life. Vetaria has five main regions, each specializing in a branch of animal care, from general medicine in Sotera to marine life in Pelagica. Each region contributes to the well-being of all species. For example, 1. Sotera, capital Sanarit, focus general veterinary medicine and joint hospitals. Buildings shaped like animal organs and Canning Hearts Temple, home to the University of Bioharmony. 2. Herbania, capital Budapest, natural healers and herbal pharmacology. Sacred forests with medicine plants shared between species, huts and sanctuary for rescued or retired animals. 3. Aerofauna, capital Altavia, a floating city for birds and flyer creatures, alongside their caretakers are clinics and weak rehabilitation centers, houses of flag ceremony. 4. Pelagic, capital Aqualit, coastal and underwater for marine life and aquatic veterinarians. Floating hospitals and action-based communication labs. Celebrates the Blue Ocean Festival with dolphin and wild sharks. 5. Terranima, capital Bechumbra, protect savanna for large mammals like elephants and birds. Wild animal medicine and behavioral rehabilitation.
Sanavet, the hair city of Vetaria. Sanavet, the capital of Sotera, is fully inclusive of all species. Center of Harmony Medical Complex, open 24/7 for humans and animals. 3 of Commitment, children plan a treat with their tutor animals at age 10, creating a generational force. A spiral of knowledge, and sensory library with touchable animal models, biological sound, and natural scent. Key character of Vetaria: Dr. Lumer Field, President, over 100 years old. one of the founders of bioharmony. His bionic arm was designed by an elephant engineer, Dr. Alia Solea, guardian of Haley, a renowned veterinarian born in Sotera, leads the animal and human healthcare system, promotes medical research, empathetic education, and interspecies clinical cooperation. She is the voice of science with a soul. Maestro, animal representative. An elderly Missberg dog chosen by the animal communities. Communicate through non-verbal language and a team of empathetic interpreters. His presence ensures that every political decision considers the direct well-being of animals. He symbolizes wisdom, loyalty, and the ancestral one with humans. Sira Amantea, guardian of the environment, a spiritual leader and ecologist from Urbania. Protect the cycles of nature, ethical agriculture, and environmental balance. Our seasonal rituals, habitat protection, and conscious food networks. Civilize that healing is only possible when nature is in harmony. Together, they form the Council of the Vital Pools, the ruling body that establishes laws of coexistence and health, oversees bioethical education, manages natural and technological resources, organizes natural rituals and interspecies connection days, always decides by consensus. There are not numerical votes, only decisions reached after listening to all voices involved. Inhabitant characteristic: Vetarian humans, having empathetic training from an early age in reading animal body language and emotion. They have enhanced senses, especially hearing and smell, due to long-term coexistence with non-human species. Conscious animals, while they don't speak like humans, they communicate through a bio-emotional language understood by all veterinarians. No animal exploitation exists. Every creature has a voluntary role in society. Official language: Zoelic, a combination of vocal sound, hand signals, and facial microexpression to allow communication between humans and animals.
Education. Schools start at age 3 with lessons on interspecies empathy, emotional management, and animal communication. At age 8, students study comparative anatomy and physiology of different species. At age 12, each child chooses a tutor species with whom they form a lifelong bond. Universities of majors in advanced veterinary medicine, natural animals therapy, interspecies protection, engineering, and applied clinical ethology. Economy. The economy is based on activities that promote animal welfare and environmental protection. By carrying out these activities, they earn a currency called zeta. Medicine and health. Veterinary medicine is the main form of medicine, even for humans. Each city has a joint hospital for humans and animals. Illness is seen as a disharmony with nature and treated through emotional and environmental healing. Religion and spirituality, not gods, but a reverence for the life energy that connects all beings. Mind rituals. Dawn connection, a moment of silence as sunrise to hear animal sounds. Car ride. Every citizen dedicates one day a month to help animals in need. Sacred farewell. When an animal dies, a community ceremony is held in their honor. Food. 100% plant-based and regenerative. Veterinary chefs design meals for humans and animals according to species needs. Meals are communal moments, customs and tradition. Bond Day, an annual celebration to honor and that on animals' life companion. Voice Festival, night celebration where animal songs are turned into songs and dance. Soul sculptures, when animal dies, its family creates a natural material sculpture representing their essence. Cities and architecture. Cities are integrated with nature. Trees, harbors, paths are designed for hoops, paws, and wheels alike. Buildings use biodegradable materials, and every structure includes a community veterinary clinic on the ground floor. Technology built around biomimicry. Veterinary drones assist with animals in the real time. Ethical owls detect pain or distress in any species. Ecochips monitor health without violating privacy. Society and culture. Education begins in early childhood, focuses on empathy, anatomy, and animal bonding. Architecture is inclusive, designs for paws, hooves, wings, and wheels. The Tree of Commitment rituals means children with their animals tutors. 100% plant-based diets often shared between humans and animals. Technology is biomimetic and ethical, featuring veterinary drones and all emotion monitors. Sacred rites include the Day of Care, Sacred Farewell, and Dawn Connection. Thanks to everyone, this was our ideal world.